Welcome to MHS Microchem Scientific. This is our new facility. It's been set up following the international standards, including ISO 13485, CGMP, as well as National Drug Authority of Uganda and WHO. At this facility, we make two main categories of products. We make rapid diagnostic testing kits and molecular diagnostic testing kits. We make HIV viral load. We make HIV early infant diagnosis. We produce HIV rapid diagnostic testing kits. We make malaria diagnostic testing kits, as well as hepatitis B testing kits and HIV drug resistance testing kits. In partnership with our technology transfer partners, our fellow Ugandans have been trained and are well skilled to make the said products. We have different sections of the manufacturing facility. We have people who work in warehouse to handle our raw materials coming in, and also we have people who work in production, who run the products, the machines to make this product. We also have people in packaging who do the final packaging of the products, as well as people in dispatch who do dispatching of the final products. So we have different steps depending where someone is going to work. Now I want to first walk you through steps someone should follow who's going to work in the production area. In this particular example, we're working in production area that makes HIV RDTs and malaria RDTs. So when someone comes in, the first step, they walk and go to cabinets where they're going to remove all their personal items, including phones, watches, earrings, jackets, bags, and keep them in their cabinets. Each employee is assigned their own cabinet where they keep their items. When they put the items in the cabinet, they lock and keep the key. From there, they will cross over the bench and put on another set of shoes. Then they walk to the sink, wash their hands with soap, and then dry their hands and sanitize. Now, if you're a lady, you're going to go to the ladies' changing room. If you are a gentleman, you're going to the gents' changing room. We're going to remove our street garments, shirts, pants. Then we dress into the production gown. Production gowns and shoes. Then you have a mask on, you put on gloves. Then you walk into the first airlock, which is a classified area, ISO 8. In that airlock, we do have a sanitizer dispensing point. So you sanitize your hands, then you get out and walk into production area. Before you start any production, you start any machine, you have to get approvals from engineering, from QA, to make sure that the place, for example, the QA is going to look at if the place is clean. The quality assurance team will inspect if the place is clean. The engineering team will inspect if the machine is in good condition, has it been well maintained. Then the production manager will check if we have all the needed raw materials to make a specific batch. We have a process for dispensing raw materials from the warehouse. The supply chain works with the production managers to agree on the orders of the materials we need based on the order from the customer or from the sales team. So then if everything is good, everything gets checked off by quality assurance, checked off by the production supervisor, checked off by the production manager, then we start the production process. So the way the machine runs, the machine is going to pick the bottom cassette. It's computerized to analyze if the quality is good. If it's not damaged, it's going to be moved to the next step, well aligned. Then from there, the uncut sheet is going to be cut into small strips. And that cut strip is going to be placed inside the bottom cassette. From there, the bottom cassette, the machine is going to pick the top cassette, put it on top of the bottom cassette, and make sure it's very tight. Then the next step will be that assembled cassette with our strip. We have top, bottom, and the strip inside, well sealed. It will be fed into aluminum foil together with the descant material and get sealed. From there to be moved to the secondary packaging area, where people are going to pick 25 of them, putting them in the box, and then someone is going to seal the box. So we have two sizes of the box. We have 25 tests and 40 tests, depending on what the customer wants. So by the time the cassette, or what we call our test, leaves this production area, it's all sealed and produced under CGMP, currently good manufacturing practices, following ISO 13485, following NDA, National Drug Authority guidelines, following WHO guidelines as well. Then when it goes secondary packaging, what we do, we put in our boxes, then gets dispatched to the dispatching area.